Hello and welcome to Intelligent Institute of Education. Today, I would like to teach you the concept of how to generate Fibonacci series using recursive function. Is this all right? So already I have uploaded the lecture of recursive function. So please watch that. And still you face any problem, so please let me know in comment section. So accordingly, I will update you. Is this all right? So let me start. Before starting, I would like to tell you the concept of recursive function in very simple in one line. A function that calls itself again and again, again and again. Again, the question is that how many times? So this is the based on the programmer, how many times we are going to call it. Is this clear? Fantastic. So let's start and see what is the concept of Fibonacci series. So now I'm going to take you in practical session so you can understand more and easy way. Is this all right? Now, first of all, let me explain what is the concept of Fibonacci series. Is clear? Because when we can understand the concept, so easily we can implement in a programming language. Is this all right? So now I'm going to take comment and first number will be 0 and second number will be 1. Is this all right? So with the help of these two numbers, 0 and 1, we can generate third, fourth, fifth, and so on. How many terms we are going to generate it? Is clear? So now last number is 1 and first number is 0. So when we are going to add these two numbers, we'll get third number. Is all right? 1 plus 0. So it will be here, third number will be 1. Again, last number is 1 and previous number is 1. So now we can add this 1 plus 1, it will be 2. And same process will apply till end. How many terms we are going to generate it? Clear? So 2 plus 1, it will be 3. And 3 plus 2, it will be 5. 5 plus 3, it will be 8. And then 8 plus 5, 13. And 13 plus 8, 21. 21 and plus 13, it will be 34. And so on. Is this all right? So basically, we have to understand here the concept. First number is 0, second number is 1. So with the help of these two numbers, we have generated this all. It means that the last number and previous number, we have to add it. Is all right? Now, what we have to do first? Now we have to enter how many terms we are going to generate it. Now this total terms, we have 10 terms, right? So now one variable I am going to create it, that is called n term. And we are going to pass this message int input, enter the value of n term to generate Fibonacci series. Is this all right? Fine. So now, like we entered here, 5. So after that, we have to execute here loop for I in range. How many times? Same n term. And term. We have to use here intended. And now we can print this value of I. Print here I. So now already I told you this is based on the concept of recursive function. It means that we have to create here function. Is all right. So now I'm going to take here annotate pen. So I will write it so you can understand. Fine. So I'm going to write here this Fibo. So this F-I and D-O. Fibo of 0. Let me write once again. This total I entered here, think here I entered here 5. That time I entered 5. It means that this is the for loop, so it will run less than 1. It means that run 4. So 0 index to 4. 0 to 4 index and total number will be here 5. Is all right? It means that 0 index 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, and 4 index. Is clear? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only it will execute 0 to 4. Total will be 5. Fine. So now, so when control will be in print I, fine. So it cannot print I with the help of one function. I am going to create function name is Fibo, and here this I, okay, and close this, fine. And here I am going to define a function def Fibo, and one argument I am going to pass that is called n. Here I am passing the parameter, that argument that is called as I. And so we can pass same, but I am going to pass here different. Is this all right? N. Now when programmer entered the value of n is 0, so check, because you have two number, we have to print it 0 and 1. And with the help of these two number, we can generate entire number, isn't it? Concept. So here we have to understand the first concept. When your concept is clear, it means that definitely you are going to implement this concept for generating this Fibonacci series. Is this all right? So now let's check here. If n will be 0, so what it will return here? First number is 0, so we can return here 0. Or is this all right? So return 0. It means that, see here, the concept, therefore started from 0. Okay, after 0, so it will come here print Fibo 0. So when this 0, let me take annotate and pen. So when it will be here 0. Okay, when it will be 0, it will search where is the name of the function Fibo. Why? Because we are going to use the concept of recursive. So definitely this is going to search the function Fibo. So now this function Fibo is here. Okay, and n is here 0. Now check the condition. N equal to 0. Yes, it will return 0. So when this is going to return the value 0, now it will print the value of 0. So now print the value of 0 is what? 0 index 0. So now it will print here 0. Okay, it means that this index finished. Okay, so now this range will take here 1. 0 finish, range will take 1. It means that it will be Fibo for 1. Okay, Fibo for 1. So in Fibo for 1, it means that it will come here. Again, it will come here and check. N equal to 0? No. Then n equal to 1. So again, I am going to use one condition. Why? Because this index, we want here 1. Is this all right? So now I am going to write, because we have 3 conditions, fine. 1 for 0, second for 1, and with the help of these, we can generate this all number. Then third condition. So here we can use elif. Okay, and now here n will be 1. And here it returned. It return here what? 1. Fine. So after when return 1, it means that it will search here. It will search here print. It will search here print 1. Is all right? So when print 1, then it will come here and it will print here. Let me take the pen. It will print here 1. Is this clear? So now see, 0 is printed, 1 is printed. Is this all right? Now it will take Fibo 3rd. So now it will be here Fibo 0, 1, 2 means 3rd number. Is this clear? 3rd number. So now it will check here. N equal to 0? No, finish. N equal to 1? Finish. Now this is for Fibo 2. We don't have this here. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to write one more condition that is called else. Okay. Else. Here what we have to do? Now here see these two number 1 and 0. When we'll add these two number, we will get here 3rd number, that is 1. Fine. So here we can write return what? Name of the function is Fibo. Why? Because we are going to use the concept of recursive, a function that call itself. The name of the function is Fibo, and we are going to call same name Fibo. Is that all right? So here we have to add these two numbers, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 we have to add. So what we'll write here? N minus 1 and plus Fibo n minus 2. N minus 1 plus n minus 2, we can generate here this third number. Is this all right? So now this number. Okay. Now we'll see here. Let me reduce this and let me delete this. Note after executing. Okay. Now, so let's execute this. Not execute. Let this Fibo 2. So Fibo 2 n value is 2. So let me take the pen. N value is 2. Okay. So 2 minus 1 value index will be 1. Here plus 2 minus 2 it will be 0. Okay. So here see 0 index is 0, 1 index is 1, and next index that is the third index. What is the value? That is a 1. Okay. And we have to add this 0 plus 1. We are going to add here. 1 value is here. That is 1 index is 1 and 0 index is 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. So here third index will be 1. Third index will be 1. Is this all right? Now Fibo 2 is finished. Now range it will take Fibo 3. Fibo 3. Is it all right? Fibo 3. Again same. N value is 0, no. N value is 1, no. Now Fibo 3. N is 3. 3 minus 1, so it will be here 2. Plus 3 minus 2, it will be 1. It means that index of 2 and plus 1. 2 plus 1, see. 0, 1, 2. 2 indexes we have here 1. And 1 index we have here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So now here it will be 2. So when it will be 2, it will printed here 2. Okay. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Now this next number. Okay. So next it will take here Fibo 3. Fibo 3 is finished. Fibo 4. Okay. So it again check the control here. N is 0, no. N is 1, no. So here n value is 4. 4 minus 1, it will be 3. And plus 4 minus 2, it will be 2. It means that index of 3 and index of 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is we have 2 and 2 index we have 1. 2 plus 1, 3. It will print here 3. So it will return here 3. It will come, it will print here 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N term is here 5. 5 value is generated and printed. Is clear? Any doubt? So please write in comment section. You got it? So write okay. All right. So now I'm going to run this. Control enter. So now enter the value of n term. I'm going to enter here 5. Okay. We got here see 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Same 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So now what I will do, this value answer is in vertical. I want in horizontal. So let me, it's clear now. Okay, fantastic. So now I'm going to erase this and I will do some modifications. Is this all right? So now with the help of annotate, I'm going to delete this all. Okay, and I'll do some modification. This vertical I don't want. I want in horizontal. So I'll do some modifications, comma, and equal to a space. Okay, again execute it. 5. See, we got it here in horizontal. 0, 1, 2, this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now one more thing I want to update. What if some programmer, some user is entered like negative number. So for negative number, we don't want to generate. Is clear? So we'll check one more condition. If n term less than 0. It means that negative. So put here what? One print. This cannot generate Fib series for negative. Is clear? And this if condition finish, and else. We'll write for this else. What else? We'll run the same loop. Okay. Now execute it. Final. Okay. Final, I am going to execute this. So now I am going to enter here what? 10 terms. See, generated here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is clear? See, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 8, 13, so 34. Is this all right? Now, one more condition I want to check for negative. Now, negative 10. This cannot generate Fib series for negative. Is this all right? See once again. So this is the concept. This is the element we have to generate. And this condition I am going to check. These three conditions. And after this, enter this value. This less than 0 for negative. And this is the loop. Is all right? So I would like to tell you. I have explained this. Okay, my explanation is good. So please share with your friends so they can also understand. And if you have subscribed, so please subscribe in other devices. So why? Because this is very important for me. Is all right? So thank you very much. And inshallah, I will make any other lecture also, series by series, so you can understand. Thank you very much.